Have you ever wondered about the giant flightless bird that roams the African savannas? The one with the long legs, the long neck, and the reputation for being a terrible dancer? Well, today we're diving into the fascinating world of the ostrich, one of the most iconic and peculiar creatures on our planet. The ostrich, a bird like no other. The ostrich is the largest living bird, towering over 9 feet tall and weighing up to 350 pounds. It's also the fastest two-legged animal on land, capable of reaching speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. But what truly sets the ostrich apart is its unique appearance and behavior. Physical features. With its long, muscular legs, powerful neck, and small head, the ostrich is built for speed and endurance. Its feathers, ranging from black to white, provide insulation and camouflage in the savanna grasslands. And those iconic eyelashes? They actually help protect the ostrich's eyes from the harsh African sun. Social structure and breeding. Ostriches are social animals, living in flocks of up to 100 individuals. During breeding season, males engage in elaborate courtship displays, dancing and showing off their plumage to attract females. Females lay 15 to 20 eggs at a time, which are incubated by both parents. Eggs and chicks. Ostrich eggs are the largest of any bird, weighing up to 3 pounds and decorated with beautiful patterns. Chicks hatch after a 42-day incubation period and are immediately able to walk and run. They quickly grow to adulthood, reaching breeding maturity in just a few years. Diet and survival. Ostriches are omnivores, consuming a variety of plants, insects, and small animals. Their long necks allow them to reach high foliage, and their powerful legs help them escape predators like lions and cheetahs. Despite their speed, ostriches rely on camouflage and kicking their powerful legs to defend themselves. Cultural significance and conservation. Ostriches have held cultural significance for centuries, with their feathers prized for decoration and their eggs used as decorative art. Today, ostrich farming is a growing industry, but these magnificent birds also face threats from habitat loss and hunting. Conservation efforts are underway to protect ostriches and ensure their survival for generations to come. The ostrich, with its unique blend of size, speed, and appearance, is a true marvel of the animal kingdom. As we continue to explore the wonders of the natural world, let's appreciate the ostrich and its role in the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. Subscribe to the channel for more animal-related content. Share the video to raise awareness about ostrich conservation.